It's hard to believe, but now you can turn a single photo into a fully animated story.
Classical fairy tales. Today,
Or create an entire illustrated picture book from just one sentence. Meet ReadKidz, an all-in-one AI platform that lets you generate children's books, voiceovers, and animated videos in minutes, all from a single prompt. With more than 100 templates and art styles, it keeps your characters consistent and your stories fully customizable. And here's the best part. You could get all of this for free. Stick around and I'll show you how to win a pro account giveaway. Ready to see how it works? Let's dive in. Alright, let's jump right into the AI filter. You can find it here under AI image. Let's upload a photo and turn it into a magical story of hope. Now for the fun part, the style. There are 27 to choose from, but I'm going with something magical. This one looks great. Choose it and generate. And just like that, we get 4 different versions to choose from. Alright, we've got our character. Now let's create a beautiful world for her. I'll select her image and choose Generate a Scene Image. Just type a simple scene idea, like this, and then click the pencil icon. It'll generate a more detailed prompt for you. Super handy. Next is reference weight. It's like a similarity slider. The higher it is, the more the new image matches our character. After that, you can adjust the aspect ratio. And here's our final image. Let me show a quick comparison. This is with the default weight, and this one's at 35. You can tweak it to get the perfect look. Okay, so I've created all the scenes for our story, and I made sure to keep the reference weight at 35 on each one. Now for the final step, just select a scene, click Generate Video, and ReadKidz animates it for you. And here's what we get. I truly hope every child gets to live a life full of beauty and joy. Amen. You can even start with a photo that has multiple people. The AI will keep each character consistent across the whole story. Okay, let's try it out. And here's what we get. That was way too easy. Let's create a full AI storybook with just one prompt. First, find the AI Picture Book button on the homepage and click AI Generate to get started. First, set the story parameters, like target age, genre, theme, narrative perspective, whether to use personification, and even the picture book size. Now for the core idea, type your story prompt into this box. You can use built-in examples or get help from the AI assistant. And just like that, the AI generates a full story. If you want to tweak anything, just click and edit. It's super flexible. Then click Extract Roles and choose your art style. With over 100 options, you can find the perfect look for your story. I think this sketchy doodle style is perfect for our story. Okay, then click Next to continue. Now for the character portraits. You can review and edit each character's description by clicking the pencil icon. Do this for all the characters in your story, then click Generate. And here we go, 4 adorable versions of each character. Just pick the one you like, then click Next to continue. Now we're in the storyboard editor. The AI has broken our story into individual pages. You have full creative control here. Edit text, add or remove scenes, or rearrange the story however you like. Alright, let's create the illustrations for our story. Before you hit Generate on each page, here's an important tip. The AI has auto-filled prompts based on your story. Take a moment to check 2 things. Does the prompt match the scene, and are the right characters included? A quick check now can save a lot of time later. Once everything looks good, click Generate. And just like that, in a few minutes, we have a fully written and beautifully illustrated storybook. You can even customize the text color, layout, and more to make it truly your own. Before we jump back in, let's quickly talk about the giveaway I mentioned earlier. A big thank you to ReadKidz for sponsoring this video and offering some incredible prizes for the community. Here's the deal. 2 lucky winners will get 1 month of Pro Access and 1,500 bonus points. But honestly, everyone wins, because anyone who enters will receive 1 month of Standard Access and 1,500 points, just for participating. So how do you enter? It's super easy. First, register on ReadKidz using the link in the description. Then, comment below with your registered username. Alright, we've got our fully illustrated book. Now let's turning it into an animated video. But here's one important rule. Every page needs a voiceover before you can generate the video. You can have the platform generate the audio for you, and even choose from a variety of voices.
Hello, welcome to ReadKidz, a world full of imagination and childlike fun.
I'll pick one that fits our story.
Hello, welcome to ReadKidz, a world full of imagination and childlike fun.
Alright, I'll generate the narrator for each page. Now that we have both illustrations and voiceovers, we're ready. Just click the Generate Video button in the top corner. Here you can add the final touches, opening animations, background music, video effects, or let the AI choose for you.
The secret door in Eleanor's wall. In a cozy house at the end of Lavender Lane lived a curious child named Eleanor. One rainy afternoon, when the world outside seemed sleepy,
And there it is, a complete animated storybook video, created from a single idea. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Love you all and see you in the next one.